What's up everyone, this is Julius again from Ojas Web Digital Solution. In this video, I want to answer one of the questions my clients ask me almost all the time. A particular client of mine I have been working with for the past 12 months happened to be the one who first raised this particular question, and I think it's very important for me to address it. So we started running pay-per-call advertising just 2 months ago and everything has been working fine. However, in just 3 or 4 days ago, I decided to create some report and forward it to him. Then we realized we have CTR and PTR, and this guy happened to say, oh, what is the difference between PTR and CTR, and why are we having different figures for these two metrics? Then I decided to make this video so that I can address that particular question, and it will be very helpful for anyone who is likely to ask the same question again. Now you ask, CTR is click-through rate and PTR is phone-through rate. Now, if you've been running adverts on Google, you will have been hearing about CTR and you've seen a lot of things about CTR. However, you might not be hearing about phone-through rate. So you ask, what is the difference? Then, if you are running mobile advertising, particularly adverts that encourage people to click to call your phone number, then you have to notice that you'll be seeing PTR in your metrics, that is phone through rate. Now, the actual calculations for CTR is pretty similar to that of PTR, but there's little difference there. If you're running the standard advert, let's say for instance you're running advert on Google search and 100 people sees your advert, 100 people see your advert and two persons click on the advert. Now the CTR for that particular advert is 2% because only 2 out of 100 people who sees the advert actually click on it. Now let's say that particular advert is a click to call advert. Now if 100 people sees the advert and only 2 persons click on the advert, and the 2 persons who click the advert refuse to make the call, then the phone through rate will become 0. So this is one of the issues that likely come up if you're running pay-per-call advertising for your client, because some of these people will ask, okay, I'm not getting any call from this advert, however I'm getting a lot of clicks and those people are now calling me, why? And I'm being charged. That is possible because some of these people don't actually know what this particular advert, they don't know maybe this thing is an advert or not. What they're after is they're looking for something and they went on Google to search for it and they see some result and they click on it. So some of these people, immediately the result comes up, they click on it and they see it's asking them to make call. Some of these people refuse to make call and they close it and they go back to Google to search again. Now in that situation, they actually click on the advert and the advert prompts them to make call. However, they refuse to call. Now the CTR has already been recorded. However, since they refuse to make the call, the PTR will be recorded as 0. So that is the major reason why you can see you have CTR greater than PTR in most, and in fact that is how it will definitely be, because not everyone who clicks your advert will actually dial the number to call your phone. So if you're having issue with CTR different from PTR, this is the exact reason why you're having those kind of situation, and that is how I can explain that situation to you, because CTR is definitely going to be greater than PTR. And I believe this question will address the issue, and if you want to explain to your client, you should be able to break it down in a simpler way so that they'll be able to understand it. So that is what I have for you today, and thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.